So this time, let us use this to identify whether the given triangle is right, acute, or obtuse. So let us try an example. So classify whether the triangle whose side lengths are 12, 16, and 20 is acute, right, or obtuse. Okay, so step 1, what we're going to do is we need to identify the value of A, the value of B, and the value of C. The value of A, siya yung pinakamababang number, and that is 12. And then yung susunod na number ay letter B, which is 16. And the third one, yung pinakamahaba, okay, ito po yun, si 20. Okay, then after that, write the formula. C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. Pero take note, anak, i-identify natin yung sign na ilalagay dito, kung greater than, less than, or equal. Kaya magiging missing siya. So, what we're going to do na, after that, substitute na natin. Ano yung C natin? 20. Magiging 20 squared po iyan. And then, missing na ito, yung magiging symbol dito. And then, ano po yung A natin? Okay, this will become 12 squared. Plus, ano po yung B? 16. Then, after that, isa-solve na po natin yan. Multiply the given number by itself twice. So, 20 times 20, 400. Then, 12 times 12, 144. Plus, 16 times 16, 256. Then after that, what we're going to do, itong 400 anak, i-bring down natin. And then itong 144 at 256 ay kukunin natin yung sum. What is the sum of 144 plus 256? 400. Thus, we can say that they are equal. Now, if the symbol is equal, we can say that, okay, kapag equal, ano po yun? Okay, so thus we can say that the given triangle is a right triangle. Kapag equal yung symbol.